Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning unit 16. Its title is Professions. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Grammar, we are going to learn about words showing position. And our today's SLO is to identify and use words showing possession. And those words are my, your, his, her, our, and their. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 10. In their hearts is disease. So Allah has increased their disease, and for them is a painful punishment because they habitually used to lie. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us the people who habitually, as a habit, lie, Allah will punish them. So, what we are learning from this verse, we should not lie. Beta, one cannot. We should not lie even as a joke. We cannot lie. Okay, so we should always speak the truth, right? And now look at this word, their. So this their is referring to their hearts, means the hearts of those people who lie. It means heart belong to them. So such type of words we are going to learn today. First, you tell me, what does possession mean? With this word, have you ever heard, or what do you guess what possession means, and what are possession words? So inshallah, we'll discuss about these both things in detail. But before that, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, possession. This word possession means the state of having or owning or controlling. When at this time, this marker is in my possession because I have a control in this. I'm using it. It's mine. This is what possession means. Something which a person have. A state of having something. A state of owning something. This is mine. I own this, right? So this state is known as possession. Now the words which show this state are known as possession words. Okay, and those words are my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. These are words which show possession for different people. So how we select which word we have to use for this person? How do we show these words to show possession? So this is what we are going to learn. All right. So here we go. We use this possession word his when something belongs to, when something is owned by a male, a boy, a man, a male person. Okay. For example, this is his bag. Look at this bag. This is his bag. Why I use his? Because the owner of this bag is a boy. So when something belongs to a male person, we use possession word his, right? This is his pencil. Why? Because the owner of this pencil is a boy. This is his eraser. This is his shoe. This is his books. This is his book, right? So whenever we want to show possession of a male, we use his, right? The next word is her. We use word her to show possession when something belongs to a female, a girl, a woman, right? This is her bag. This is her bag. Why I use her? Because bag belongs to a girl. This bag belongs to a girl. This is her pencil. This is her scale. Right? So all the things which belongs to a female, to show the possession, we use word her. Right? My. We use this word my to show possession for something which I own. Okay? This is my bag. Now this boy is pointing to his bag and saying, this is my bag. This is my notebook. Right? This is my shirt. So whatever belongs to me, whatever I own, I will use word my to show possession. Right? Next is your. We use this word your when we talk to you. So this boy is saying something to you. What he's saying, where is your bag? Where is your bag? Where is your notebook? Where is your pencil? So whenever we want to talk about the possession of you, we use word your to talk about the possession. Right? Okay. Our. So our, we use this word our to show something which we own. Okay, and you know, we means we are more than one. Okay, me and my brother, me and my father, me and my family, right? So how do we show it? This is our school. Now this boy is telling you, this is our school. Okay, me and my sister study in this school. This is our school. This is our park. This is our lawn, whatever. So when we want to show possession which we own, we use word our. Right? There. There means we are talking about someone else and they are more than one. So to talk about anything which they own, we use word their. Their school is far off. Their means the school which they own or they study in is far. Okay? All right. Now you know my, because my we use for something I own. She is saying my dog. She is showing her dog to you, and how she's saying, this is my dog. Its teeth are very sharp. Okay, so it's mean anything. When we show possession of things, either they are living or non-living, we use possession word its. Right? Okay. Are you clear with the concept? All right. So I'm going to discuss it from your book. Let's see what does your book say about it. Words showing possession. Words showing possession are words which are used to show possession and ownership. Right? They tell that something belongs to someone. Words showing possession are my, your, his, her, our, and their. Now you know when we use my, when we use your, when we use his, her, our, their. Now can you differentiate and use them accordingly? Good job. But if you have any confusion, you may pause the video, raise a hand, ask from your teacher, and when you are clear with the concept, then move on. And the next step is about an example from your book. This is my book. Now a girl is standing here and she is talking about different things. And she is saying, this is my book. It is their car. So this car belongs to someone else. So she is saying, this is their car. It is their car. It is her bag, and this is our house. Now, these are the words showing possession, and these examples are given in your book, right? So let's practice it through an activity. Are you ready for that? Okay. What we are going to do, your teacher will divide class in groups. Teacher will instruct the students to collect objects from each other, and each student in group will say a sentence about the objects by using words showing possession. For example, how you will explain it? This is my pencil, this is her notebook, this is your eraser, and this is our book. This is how the things you will collect, you will discuss about them by using the words showing possession, right? So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Have you used all the words showing possession? Now you understand when to use his, when to use her, when to use my. Are you sure? Okay, so let's practice it from your book. All of you, open your book on page number 112. What you are going to do, here are the words showing possession, and here are the sentences. So you will read the sentence and complete the sentence by using correct word showing possession according to sentence. For example, it's written here, I like. So for I, which word we use to show possession? My. Good. I like my toy. Likewise, you will keep reading the sentence, keep selecting the correct word showing possession, and keep completing these sentences. Pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, it's time for your homework. You will write 6 sentences by using words showing possession, and you know those words are his, her, its, their, your, my, and our. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, once again, here is word bank. You are going to complete the sentences by using words showing possession. So what we have learned today, we learned to identify and use words showing possession. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their. And in this way, we achieved our SLO to identify and use. Identify and use words showing possession. My, your, his, her, our, and their. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.